I'm fine, and how are you? What's my name?
Laura.
That's right. My name's Laura, huh? That's a good boy. Now, well, after you're done eating that nut, will you do me a favor and whistle? Can you whistle? He says, let me finish the nut first. Can you whistle? That's right. Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, now, can you, yeah, I was going to ask you if you were going to burp, and you just did. So, can you burp? That's my name. Can you burp? That's something else entirely. I don't know what you're doing. Can you burp? There you go. That's a good boy. Can you be a big eagle? Be a big eagle. Come on. Be a big eagle. Oh, that was so good. You're such a good boy. How come you're so good? Can you turn your head upside down for me? Turn your head upside down. Come on. Turn your head. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. All right, now, Bertles. Let me see. Can you, well, what am I going to have you do? Can you,
Play dead.
oh, we play dead? Here, come on. Are you ready? I'm going to shoot the bird. Are you ready? Oh, dead bird. That was premature death. You going to try it again? You're going to shoot the bird. Ready? Bang. Oh, dead bird. Woo! You should be taking this horizontally, Mom. And that's, oh, it's, you, yeah.